Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to convert video to GIF. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to shortcuts, then tap on gallery in the bottom right corner. Type GIF in the search bar. Tap on make GIF, then tap on add shortcut. Now go to your shortcuts and tap on make GIF. Select the video from gallery. You can also adjust the video size accordingly if you want. Tap on save, then tap on done. And your GIF is ready. Now go to your gallery to check the GIF. And as you can see, here is the GIF that we created. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.